Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get content ideas from ChatGPT. Generating content ideas can sometimes be a challenging task, especially when you're looking to a main steady stream of creative and engaging material. Fortunately, ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for brainstorming and refining content ideas across various niches. Whether you're a blogger, video creator, social media manager, or marketer, ChatGPT can assist in ideation through different methods. Here's how to effectively get content ideas from ChatGPT. First method, using ChatGPT for brainstorming. ChatGPT can act as a creative partner to help you brainstorm new content ideas by engaging in dialogue where you refine and explore potential topics. Here's the example prompt for this. Method 2. Generating topic list. You can ask ChatGPT to generate list of ideas for specific content types of categories, making it easier to choose from a variety of options. This is the example prompt. Method 3. Exploring niche topics. ChatGPT can help you delve deeper into niche topics by providing specific angles or unique perspectives that might not be immediately obvious. Here's the example prompt for this. Method 4. Refining content ideas. If you have a vague idea or topic in mind, ChatGPT can help you refine it into a more specific and actionable content piece. Here's the example prompt for this. Next method, finding trends and popular topics. ChatGPT can assist in identifying trending topics or popular themes in your industry, ensuring that your content is relevant and timely. Here's the example prompt. Another method, generating social media content ideas. Social media platforms require diverse content strategies. ChatGPT can provide ideas for posts, challenges, and campaigns tailored to different platforms. This is the example prompt. Next topic, creating engaging headlines. A compelling headline can significantly impact the effectiveness of your content. ChatGPT can assist in crafting catchy and attention-grabbing headlines. Here's the example prompt for this. Another method, conducting audience analysis. Understanding your audience is crucial for creating content that resonates. ChatGPT can provide insights and suggestions on how to tailor your content to your target demographic. Here's the example prompt. Another method, developing content series. Content series can help maintain audience interest over time. ChatGPT can assist in planning out a series of related content pieces. Here's the example prompt for this. Next topic, generating visual content ideas. Visual content such as infographics and videos often requires unique concepts. ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas for visually engaging content. Here's the example prompt for this. Another method, creating educational content. If you're looking to provide informative or educational content, ChatGPT can assist in breaking down complex topics into digestible and engaging pieces. Here is the example prompt. Next method, improving existing content. ChatGPT can provide suggestions for enhancing or expanding existing content, helping you refresh old material with new insights. Here is the example prompt. Another method, using ChatGPT for creative writing prompts. For creative projects, ChatGPT can serve as a source of inspiration offering writing prompts or ideas to kickstart your creativity. Here's the example prompt. Another method, finding content gaps in your niche. Identifying content gaps allows you to create unique content that fills unmet needs or answers answered questions in your niche. Here's the example prompt. Last method, developing marketing campaigns. ChatGPT can help brainstorm ideas for marketing campaigns, promotional activities, and audience engagement strategies. Here's the example prompt. Now, once you hit enter, they will provide you with the answer specific to your query. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.